art stuff that I wanted.
Princess house and a dollhouse and
Go stand by your princess house.
and a scooter and a microphone.
Ooh. What'd you get, Bree?
I got art stuff like pastels and paint and those board thingies and Just Dance 4. And then I got perfume and then a soda stream.
Let me see. Ooh. What's in your pink box?
This is a little.
Go show me what you got, Savannah.
And then I got a box with stuff in it like nail polish and stuff. And then I got a skateboard.
A skateboard too? Savannah, show me what you got. What's the coolest? Do you talk? Come here.
A princess and this.
And a dollhouse, and a scooter, and a microphone, and a Toy Story. Come here. Spell your name.
Savannah.
What's that spell?
Savannah.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Fall holidays.
What?
Fall holidays.
That's only to me.
Say love you, miss you.
Love you, miss you.
Love you. Miss you.